I'm Chelsea McDougall here at the Label Factory in Des Moines, Iowa, here with Storm. Hi, Storm. Thanks for being here. Tell me a little bit about the Label Factory.
So we're a pressure-sensitive digital first label company here in Des Moines, Iowa. We specialize in all pressure-sensitive labels that go on consumable goods, boxes, containers, bottles, you name it, we put a label on it.
Yeah, and we're standing here in front of the HP Indigo V12 digital press. Tell us a little bit about why you decided to invest in this piece of machinery.
Of course, well, it's hard to miss how big it is. But this is the fastest digital press in the world. So compared to our other industry leaders that we have with HP, it goes about 100 feet a minute. This goes 400 feet a minute. So almost 4 times the speed of what the other industry standards were. So it's kind of a no-brainer to move forward with the V12.
And you're kind of a digital first mindset company. Talk a little bit about why that is.
Yep, so I came into the industry about 5-6 years ago, and it was right at that point where the exponential curve of technology was starting to go straight up, and the industry was moving towards a digital first mentality. I think a lot of shops are struggling to find labor to come to replace their current flexographic operators. Digital is a lot easier to attract a younger workforce, and we've had great success while doing that.
Yeah, amazing. Well, thank you so much for the time. You can read more about the Label Factory in the next issue of Labels and Labeling magazine. Thanks, Storm.
Go get it. No, I'm just kidding.